I think the original 935 became an icon, so to speak, not only of its racing successes, because of just the way it looked. Our part with the flat nose started in July of 2017, where we had about 3 or 4 days to come up with some drawings for what the new 935 could look like.
Wir haben als Basis den GT2 RS Motor, 700 PS Leistung und das PDK-Getriebe. Beides haben wir leicht modifiziert und an so kleinen Schrauben gedreht, um das Fahrzeug noch rennstreckentauglicher zu machen als der GT2 RS, ohnehin schon ist.
When we first designed the car, it was very important that the front grille's 100% taken over, which is also the place where we integrated the front headlamps. What was also important for us is, of course, the car has a long tail, and whether it's the old version or this version, you look inside that long tail underneath, and it's kind of a tunnel effect, and all in black, you see the original 911 underneath it, so it's like a car inside a car.
Das Besondere für uns als Motorsportler ist, dass wir von Anfang an im Studio in einem Designprozess gearbeitet haben und nicht allein im Windkanal das Fahrzeug gemacht haben und sind dann aber sehr synchron in großen Schritten an das Fahrzeug gegangen, sodass Design und Entwicklung der Karosseriebauteile quasi parallel stattgefunden hat.
935, what I'm proud on is finally that we really did it. I think we have a lot of ideas behind that. It was a small team making that they really had all the enthusiasm, all the passion to make it in a very short time, and that we convinced really everybody in the company. Finally the car is here in time, and the feedback we get from the press, from the fans is unbelievable, and that's definitely something I can be proud of.